Hey guys, myself BP Shravani, USN 1V 23CA009, branch CSE AI, semester third sem, course title Oops with Java, course code BCS 306A, topics control statements. Today's topic is about control statements in Java. Introduction to control statements. Control statements are essential for guiding the flow of execution in Java programs. They allow developers to make decisions based on specific conditions. Understanding control statements is crucial for effective programming in Java. What are control statements? Control statements dictate the order in which instructions are executed. They can be broadly categorized into conditional statements and loop statements. The mastery of these statements enhances code readability and maintainability. Types of control statements in Java. Control statements are primarily divided into three categories: selection, iteration, and jump statements. Each type serves a distinct purpose in controlling the program flow. Understanding these types is vital for implementing logic in Java applications. Conditional statements overflow. Conditional statements allow the program to execute certain blocks of code based on Boolean expression. They provide a way to implement decision making in programs. The most common conditional statement in Java are if, else if, and switch. The if statement executes a block of code if a specified condition is true. It is the simplest form of a conditional statement in Java. Proper use of the if statement can significantly improve the program's logic. The if else statement allows for two possible paths of execution based on the condition. If the condition is true, one block of the code is executed, otherwise another block runs. This structure helps handle binary decision making scenarios effectively. The else if ladder is used when multiple conditions used to be checked sequentially. It provides a way to evaluate several expressions without deeply nested statements. This enhances code clarity and reduces complexity in decision making. The switch statement is an alternative to the if-else ladder for handling multiple conditions based on a single variable. It improves code readability when dealing with multiple cases. The switch statement is particularly useful for enumerating through constant variables. Looping statement overview. Looping statement allow a block of code to be executed repeatedly based on a condition. They are essential for the tasks that require repetition, such as iterating through arrays. The primary looping statements in Java are for, while, and do while loops. The for loop is used when the number of iteration is known beforehand. It consists of initialization, condition, and increment or decrement expression. It is especially useful for iterating over arrays and collections. The while loop continues to execute as long as the specified condition is true. It is often used when the number of iteration is not predetermined. Care must be taken to avoid infinite loops when using while statements. Do-while loop. The do-while loop is similar to the while loop, but guarantees at least one execution of the code block. The condition is evaluated after the execution of the loop's body. This makes the do-while loop ideal for scenario where the code must run at least once. Jump statements overview. Jump statements alter the flow of control unconditionally. They include break, continue, and return statements in Java. Understanding jump statements is important for managing loop behavior and method execution. The break statement is here used to exit a loop or switch statement prematurely. It can be useful for terminating loops based on the specific condition. Overusing break statements can lead to less readable code, so they should be used judicially. The continue statement skips the current iteration of a loop and proceeds to the next iteration. It is useful when certain conditions should bypass the remaining code in the loop. Careful use of continue can enhance the loop efficiency and clarity. The written statement is used to exit a method optionally written a value. It terminates the value execution and hands control back to the calling method. Proper use of written statement is essential for effective method management in Java. Nested control statements. Nested control statements involve placing one control statement inside another. They can create complex decision trees and looping structures. However, excessive nesting can lead to hard to read code, so caution is advised. Best practices for control statement: write clear and understandable condition to improve code readability. Avoid deep nesting of control statement to enhance maintainability. Use meaningful variable names and comment to clarify the logic of control statements. Common mistake to avoid failing to use braces with if else statement can lead to logical error, not considering the possibility of infinite loops when using while and for loops. Misusing break and continue statements can complicate the program flow. Conclusion: control statements are fundamental to programming logic in Java. Mastery of these statements enables developers to write effectively and effective code. Continuous practice and application of control statement will enhance our programming skills. Feel free to modify any content based on your specific needs or preference. Thank you.